In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the crop tool in Photoshop. And if I go into the vertical toolbar on the left hand side, the crop tool is over here. The shortcut is the letter C. And although there are 4 tools here, there are in effect 2 crop tools, normal crop tool and perspective crop tool. So if I click on the crop tool, I can click and drag to produce a rectangle, and I can go to the corners and resize it. And I can either press return or click on the tick at the top there, and that will crop the image. I'll just undo that. What is nice though is you can change the ratio. So I can say I want a 2:3 size, and here you go, you see. So now when I resize it, I can only resize it according to that ratio, and it's still 2:3, but can you see it changes portrait or landscape? I'll clear that. I can also choose width, height, resolution, and I can say I want 300 px. I'll tab in by 200 px at 300 pixels per inch, for example, and that's what I'll get when I press return. Notice px for pixels. I could do in for inches and cm for centimeters, and I'll just clear that. And I'll press escape, and there we go. Also nice here, we have a straighten tool, and if I click that, this is me drawing a ruler, a line, and this will be my new horizontal. And if I let go, and there you go, you see that line I drew now, make that the new horizontal, and then I can press return and I can do a normal crop to get rid of. Now, if you notice here, because I had content aware ticked, it's now going to fill in the blanks. Can you see around the edges? Or I could have cropped that out, but there you go. But if I undo that and take off content aware and do a straighten, press return, and it's done an auto crop, which works out quite nice. And I'll undo that. There is also, however, a perspective crop tool, and what the perspective crop tool is, it basically allows me to click 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and if I press return, it will distort the image to take away the perspective and crop it and give me the result. And that's basically using the crop tool in Photoshop.